Welcome back to my channel. This is Ranger of Rangers again. Ranger of Rangers vlog gear. Okay, so ngayon, so today I'm gonna do this hand wash or sink in the toilet of the bathroom. Okay, so I'm gonna install it and I'm gonna put the worktop here, and I install the pipe as well to connect on the hand wash basin. And I cut this worktop, okay, to put on the top of the unit. And that's our basin, the circle one, that one. I think that's I think this is a plastic. Yeah, it's a plastic, but it's durable kind of plastic. Alright, it's durable type of plastic. Okay, so that's a circle type of a hand basin, so I'm gonna put on the top of the worktop. I'm gonna install this. Last time I installed this electric shower and shower screen. This one, okay. So now this is my job today. I'm gonna install this, the hand wash basin. Okay, so I'll show you shortly. All right. So I make a hole here because there's no hole in the worktop. So last time I cut this because it's too wide. This worktop is until here, so it's until here. So I cut at the back to make it smaller. So this time I'm gonna plumbing it, this one. Right, put the hole at the back. I put the hole at the back here. Alright, but before that I put the cladding first in here. I cover the cladding. Okay, and I'll do this plumbing. That's an isolation pipe, 15 mm. Yeah, isolating ball bulb. This one, it's a reducer type because what this one is 32 mil. I reduce, so I convert into the 40 mil pipe. That's why I have a reducer from 40 to 32, okay, or from 32 to 40 mm waste pipe. So we got this one. I use a shallow one because there's a cabinet here, so it would complicated, you know, when you close it, the cabinet, it will hit on this side, on this part. So I just use the shallow one, P-trap, but supposedly this used for butt trap for this, but I can still use in here. All right. And I got 15 mm elbow pipe, soldering type, two, another one pack, and same as well. This is a 40 mil compression pipe, push pit, what I mean push pit pipe. Okay, and there's another one here, so I buy this to cover in here, right at the side. So we call this worktop and cup. And we have as well connection to this and the rest. Okay, and I'll show you when I finish. And anyway, we have a flexible pipe. This is 22 mil. No, sorry, this is 15 mm flexible pipe. This is connect for the top, for this top. Okay, and this is the lock to lock underneath at the bottom of the worktop. This one at the bottom, this side, and some here. So I already put the cladding here. Yes, so I removed the cabinet because I'm gonna do this plumbing. So this hot water I'm gonna move in here, go around here. Okay, and this cold water I'm gonna move here as well, in here, going here as well. So this is cold in the right and hot for the left side. Okay, and this is my tools for soldering. So I'm gonna do the soldering connector. Okay, so that's my tools for the pipe. Okay, so alright, and this is my gas butane for the gas. I think this still got fuel gas, and this one, and this one as well. I'm gonna extend this, or I'm gonna move going here. This is the soldering type of pipe, and okay, so that's it, and I'll show you when I'm done. So I already cut this. I use this, okay, rotating cutter for pipe, for the copper pipe. And this one I'm gonna cut this. I use a saw because there's not enough. If I use this, it's gonna be cut in the middle, so there's no enough space to soldering. So I have a space if I use to cut this rather than this. Okay. So we have a problem. It's emergency. I buy stopcock because I cannot stop the water. It's leaking. I cannot solder it. One of the elbow pipe, I cannot finish to solder it because there's something wrong. The water keep leaking. Have you seen this on the top? Keep dripping. Yeah, that's the water keep dripping. So the only thing I can do is just like I change this stopcock. I show you. So I need to change this stopcock. This stopcock, the main isolating bulb. So I change this or else I cannot touch this. The only thing I can do is just I put a new one. Tap in here. And I change this. That's only I can do. Alright, and I can continue my job upstairs on the bathroom to do the pipe. Okay, see you later. You know what, you have to be it's better that you know everything rather than you are not skilled person, because you know what, if there's any emergency you don't know how to do it, you don't know what you're gonna do, you don't know where you're gonna call, who's you're gonna call or whatever, you know. So unlike me, this is Ranger of Rangers. If there's any problem or any emergency, I can manage to fix any what kind of emergency in here. Even gas leaking, I can manage to stop. Water leaking, I can manage to stop the water. Electric problem, I can manage to isolate the electric or fix the problem. Anything, if there's any emergency, I can manage to, you know, to find a solution or find a way. That's Ranger of Rangers. Okay. Hello guys, so it's already finished now. So the only thing I can do is just like connect this in here. Okay, the ground. Okay, so I changed already this stopcock to, so they have isolating stopcock in here, so they can only use their bare hands if they want to close it clockwise, to close it, open counterclockwise. Okay, so there's a new pipe here, so this is a main isolation valve stopcock. Okay, so the only thing they can do is just keep it open, and because this one it's broke now, you know, when you open it or when you close it, it's really hard. The valve inside the rubber, the seal inside, the rubber seal, it's worn now, so it won't stop the water. It's keep dripping at the top if you close this. Okay, so the only thing they can do is just only close this, just in case there's any water leaking. It's easy, much easy this to close. Alright, so that's it, and this one is connect to the pipe that's from the ground, from the circuit breaker. This is the main one. Okay, the other one is in the isolation bulb into the gas. Okay, so see you later. So this is it. So that's the main reason why I changed the main stopcock bulb, because of this keep leaking. I cannot soldering it. I cannot soldering it because the water keep coming out. Okay, so the only thing I can do is just change that, because it won't stop the water. Just keep leaking. Okay, so I change it. I changed that. Okay, so I think the only thing you can do is just change this, take it off, and then put the isolation valve. That's all you can do. Or compression pipe, or change this compression pipe. So we have another problem to be encounter, Ranger. So this one, it's leaking. So the only problem is this pipe is not really much play, you know, when you move over there. But I try my best because that's the problem of the pipes. Sometimes, you know, if old, and then old old pipes, then you try to disconnect and then you put it back, the problem is started to leaking. So that's the problem right now. The only thing I can do is just like put a new one here, right? A connector to connect here the new pipe, and here I will show you later. Okay, that's only we can do. Oh my god, it's almost done now, but the thing is the leak, it's little by little and starting to dripping the water like that. It's dripping. So even I try to tight the nut, but it's still the same, still leaking. Alright, the only thing I can do is just change the new one. Okay, even I put joining compound, still the same. I think because if you notice the o-ring leaves, it's over compressed, it's too tight, maybe it's buried now to the pipe. That's the reason, because I tried to tight as well, but it's still the same. Alright, the only thing I just changed the olive ring, like this one. I change this, a new one. Okay, alright now guys, it's okay now. So I put a connection compression pipe, and it's a new nut as well. Alright, so it's working now. Okay, that's it. Because it's open now, it's closed, open. That's only I can do for today, because I was stuck on this stopcock isolating valve to change existing one, existing new one. Alright, so right guys, I think that's it, and then I come back for tomorrow to do to finish this. Alright, because I'm tired now. So that's it. So anyway, this is Rangers again. Please subscribe my channel, and I have more videos to upload. This is the jack of all trade blogger. Yeah, and I can show all my skills on my channel. So please stay tuned and please subscribe, and I have more skill to show to you guys. And thanks for watching anyway. Hasta la vista, Ranger.